Hey guys, here we have the Greenworks Cordless Compact belt sander. Pretty solid piece, well built. The battery's quite clunky. You can adjust this handle over here to go up and down, depending on your comfort level. It's got a dust catcher. Comes with a few sanding belts. Actually, one sanding belt. I'm not even sure what grit this is. Let's see. Yeah, it's got a instruction manual in there. Not much else to say. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this doing my woodworking projects. Yeah, there you have it.